Cracked heels can be a real pain in the foot. If you've ever dealt with dry, cracked skin on your heels, you know how uncomfortable and unsightly it can be. But fear not, because today we're diving into the world of cracked heel home remedies. Whether you're dealing with minor cracks or full-on fissures, we've got you covered with some tried and true methods to get those feet looking and feeling smooth again in no time. Heal your heels naturally. Cracked heel home remedies. 1. Soak and exfoliate. Start by giving your feet a nice soak in warm water to soften the skin. Add some Epsom salt or a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree for extra relaxation and antibacterial benefits. After soaking for 10 to 15 minutes, gently exfoliate the affected area with a pumice stone or foot scrub to remove dead skin cells and smooth out rough patches. 2. Moisturize. Moisturize. Once you've exfoliated, it's time to lock in that moisture. Apply a thick, hydrating foot cream or lotion to your heels, focusing on any cracked areas. For an extra boost of hydration, try using natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or shea butter. These oils penetrate deep into the skin to soften and nourish even the toughest of cracks. 3. Overnight treatment. For more severe cracks, try an overnight treatment to give your heels some extra TLC. Apply a generous amount of moisturizer or oil to your heels before bed. Then slip on a pair of cozy socks to lock in the moisture overnight. You'll wake up to softer, smoother feet in the morning. 4. Stay hydrated. Hydration isn't just important for your skin, it's crucial for your overall health, including the health of your feet. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Your heels will thank you. 5. Foot-friendly footwear. Finally, give your feet a break by wearing comfortable, supportive shoes that don't put too much pressure on your heels. Avoid wearing flip-flops or shoes with thin soles for extended periods, as they can exacerbate cracks and discomfort. Join the Cracked Heel Crusade. Like, comment, share. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to cracked heel home remedies that'll have your feet looking and feeling better than ever. Have you tried any of these methods before? Do you have any other tips or tricks for healing cracked heels? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who could use a little foot pampering. Let's spread the love and banish cracked heels for good.